to add friends in Idle Heroes. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can add friends in Idle Heroes game. First of all, launch open the Idle Heroes game on your device, and once you're inside this main homepage, go ahead and tap on the two human icons on the left hand side and click on the search button. Now in the search bar, enter the ID of your friend you want to add. Now click on apply to search for the friend. You can also go ahead and find the friends from the recommended list and tap on apply right next to them to add them. If you want to add your friend, then find your friend's ID, and once the ID is searched and found in the search results, you can tap on apply right next to your friend to add them. Once they accept your friend request, you'll then be able to be friends in the game. So that's it. You have successfully added friends in Idle Heroes game in just a quick simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.